The Ninja Blast Hover Soccer Ball is an innovative indoor toy designed to bring the excitement of soccer into the home environment. It uses revolutionary hover technology that allows the ball to float effortlessly on various surfaces such as wood, tile, and even concrete, making it versatile for indoor play. This feature creates a unique experience where the ball glides smoothly, simulating the feel of playing soccer in a stadium, but within the comfort of your living room or kitchen. The hover mechanism is powered by a fan system hidden within the ball, which creates a cushion of air underneath, reducing friction and enabling it to move easily across flat surfaces. This technology is a standout aspect that differentiates it from traditional soccer balls or other indoor sports toys. The product is designed with children in mind, particularly boys aged 6 to 12, though it is suitable for anyone who enjoys active play. It features a soft foam bumper around the edges, which is crucial for protecting furniture and walls from damage during play. This safety feature allows kids to play freely without parents worrying about scratches or dents. The bumper also cushions impacts, making the ball safer for indoor use and reducing the risk of injury. Additionally, the ball lights up with electric lights that activate during play, adding a visually captivating element that enhances the fun, especially in low-light conditions. This light-up feature not only entertains, but also helps keep track of the ball during fast-paced play. Users have praised the Ninja Blast Hover Soccer Ball for its durability and ease of use. Many reviews highlight that children can engage with the toy for hours, finding it both entertaining and physically engaging. For example, one user shared that their 10-year-old grandson played with it extensively during a holiday visit, noting that it provided great exercise and kept him busy. The ball's ability to glide smoothly and light up made it a hit among kids and adults alike, fostering interactive play and social engagement. The toy's size is compact, measuring 6 by 6 by 2 inches and weighing just over 10 ounces, which makes it easy for children to handle and maneuver indoors without requiring much space. The ball is rechargeable, which is a significant advantage over battery-operated toys that require frequent replacements. Users can plug it in to recharge, providing hours of continuous playtime on a single charge. This feature is both environmentally friendly and convenient, reducing ongoing costs and interruptions during play. The rechargeable design aligns with modern expectations for sustainable and user-friendly toys. Despite its many strengths, some users have reported minor issues. A few reviews mention that the ball can stop hovering if the air circulation is blocked, such as by a sticker placed over the fan area. This is easily remedied by removing any obstruction, but it is a point worth noting for maintenance. Another concern raised is that the fan can become clogged with pet hair, especially in homes with long-haired dogs, which requires cleaning to maintain optimal performance. Additionally, the ball performs best on smooth surfaces like wood or tile, so it may not be as effective on carpet or uneven floors. This limitation means that the toy is ideally suited for homes with appropriate flooring for hover play. In terms of overall quality, the Ninja Blast Hover Soccer Ball is well made and offers good value for its price. It is smaller than a traditional soccer ball, which some users appreciate for indoor use, as it fits well in confined spaces and is easy for young children to control. The sound it produces during operation is described as a soft buzz, which is generally not disruptive but noticeable. The toy's design and performance have earned it a strong rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars based on over 1,000 customer reviews, reflecting widespread satisfaction. The Ninja Blast Hover Soccer Ball makes an excellent gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Its combination of active play, light-up features, and indoor suitability makes it a unique and engaging present. It encourages physical activity, coordination, and social interaction among children, which are valuable benefits in today's digital age where screen time often dominates. The toy's appeal spans various ages, making it a versatile addition to any game collection. In conclusion, the Ninja Blast Hover Soccer Ball is a fun, innovative, and practical indoor toy that successfully brings the joy of soccer inside the home. Its hover technology, safety features, and rechargeable design make it stand out in the market of children's sports toys. While it requires some care to avoid fan blockage and works best on smooth floors, these minor considerations do not overshadow its overall performance and entertainment value. For families looking to keep kids active and entertained indoors, this hover soccer ball is a worthwhile investment. If you own this product, consider leaving a review to help others make an informed decision. The product link is provided in the video description to support the channel and assist viewers in finding this exciting toy.